Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I am Dipasha Bharadwaj and I make content on beauty with some real life sparkle and real talk. So today I have done this soft glam wearable look for you guys, and we have spilled some beans on a very important topic that we should all talk about, which is outgrowing people while protecting your own inner peace. So if you are interested in that topic, then please continue watching. Also, the love shown on my previous video was very well received, and thank you so much for so much love. Okay, so let's start with some skincare first, which is very important. If your skin is doing good, I think makeup sits really well over that. And the products that I'm using in the video, I might not be able to tell you all the products, but I'll leave the links to the same in the description below so you can check it out. So basically, what I think is that in life, every relationship that you have, be it friendship or a relationship or even family, it goes through seasons. It goes through tough ships, and some may sail through it and some may not. So it totally depends. And as we grow and heal and try to evolve, there's a possibility that not everyone grows and heals with us and continues their journey with us forward. And that's completely okay. And I think accepting that it's completely okay is quite tough. I also remember going through something and I just felt guilty for distancing myself from someone that I was very close to for so many years. But it wasn't for any drama or for hate. I didn't hate that person, that's for sure. But it was just misalignment. It was misalignment with their thoughts, with how we were communicating with each other, and it was just not aligning for our future. Sometimes we hold on to people for the sake of the past, but we forget that it might not be good for our future, you know, and it usually is not. So, the first step to protecting your peace is generally to learn if that person is actually even good for your future or not, because growing is the only constant, you know, like how they say for change comes when you grow. When you grow in life, you tend to learn so many things in life while growing, that you just evolve, right? And people who are actually in your support, who actually are willing to grow with you, to evolve with you, they just stick around. They find ways to stick around with you, you know. They find ways to stick around even at your worst moments. You might feel that you don't have anyone, but there will come a person, there will come people who are willing to be there for you even at your lowest point and evolve with you while you figure out how to get out of that situation, get out of that hardship, get out of that, the thoughts that you're stuck in, that circle that you're stuck in. You need to figure out how to get out of it, and people who care for you, they will help you figure out, or patiently wait at the periphery for you to figure it out yourself and get out of it. That's how growing together works. Have you been in a situation where you thought that the vibe was not just right anymore? It was not matching. Oh shit. Situation where you felt that the vibe was just not right anymore. It was just not aligning with your expectations. There are signs for that. And I think you just have to look out for the signs. You will know that some things are just not meant to be taken forward in life. Sometimes sometimes I believe that we consider, or we used to consider, that setting boundaries for people and relationships and family even is considered very rude. It's mean. But while you are evolving, you realize that it's not mean. It's good for you. It's good for your own self-respect. And it takes time. Setting boundaries takes time, and it once you learn how to set boundaries, I think it's one of the best things you can do for your own self. Also, I think people pleasing is a concept of the past. We still see people who are trying their best to please others, and they live for it, and I am baffled to see how someone can do this. to themselves. People pleasing has to be left behind if you want to evolve. And that's completely okay. Step one of evolving is to realize, is to put yourself first. You have to put yourself first. It's very important. And we tend to forget that quite often, putting ourselves first. Either we are groomed that way or we have seen people do it, that we think that it's very natural to not keep ourselves first. And that's what we are here to learn. That's what evolving is. And I'm trying it. I'm also here trying to keep myself first. I'm learning. And that is because I have people around me that understand that it's important. And it's vital to have people that are here to support you. I believe that you don't need a village behind you in your support. You just need that a couple of people, just three or four important people that are sticking by you and being your pillar of support. And that's it. I think you will sail through every problem in your life very easily if you have the right set of people with you know And that's what you need to realize. We tend to waste our time on very unimportant people. And I I understand that we lose judgment throughout the way. But self realization has no age or timing. If it hits you now, if it hits you at 30, then you start changing at 30. That's what matters. At the end of the day, I think what matters is the thought. If you have that thought to evolve, to protect your inner peace, you wake up one day and you think, oh, I want to protect my inner peace from today, then I think you will find ways to do it. Because I think we all go through some things in life, and I understand that happens. You might, you if you're in your teens, you might be going through some different stuff. If you're in college, you might be going through some different stuff. And that actually happens. I have been a very introvert person. I still am. I'm a very introvert person. And saying no, a simple word like no, used to be a task for me. It still is sometimes, because we are groomed that way, that we think that saying no is a crime. But eventually I'm trying to learn to say no too. I have come halfway, I would say. Because it takes time, guys. It takes time. Growing takes time, if you wish to. Okay, so I'm going to do this off camera because it's kind of tough. And okay, so the glam is almost done. And I would really appreciate it if you have been in a situation where you had to outgrow people and relationships or friendships to protect your own peace. Then I would really appreciate it if you would leave a heart below in the comments, so that I know that you see me. I am being resonated to. If you resonate to my words, and if you want me to come back here and talk more about some real life issues that you and me, we all go through at some point in life, then it would really mean the world to me if you leave a comment below and let me know that you see me. Because I'm trying to build a community here where we can be both beautiful and real at the same time and evolve together. Learn through things together through our experiences, where I can share my experiences and you can share yours in the comments below. Also, do consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button and also the bell button, because I have so much more real talk videos coming your way where you and me, we can connect. Also remember to glow on the outside and evolve on the inside while protecting your own peace. See you in the next one. Bye.